Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova Y70, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your toggles from the upper right side of the screen. Expand it and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. Now once you find your toggle, the first time around you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason you want to hold it is because in the settings you will see your hotspot password. And without going in here, you will have no way of actually knowing what it is. Now you can utilize the one that is randomly generated, but what I actually recommend doing is just tapping on it, removing it, and setting up your own password. Now it does need to have at least 8 characters in length, and once it does, you can just confirm it. And this will automatically save it. Now that's the only thing that I would recommend changing, and from there you can close this. Now you can change like the hotspot name if you want to, and under more you can also find the AP band, so 2.4 and probably 5 gigahertz. Oh, apparently we don't have 5 gigahertz. That's interesting. We can set a data limit, so if you have like limited amounts of data plan from your provider, you can set up a limit for the hotspot as well, so you don't overuse it. And we have also mobile hotspot turn off automatically, so it's set to 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes of inactivity it will automatically shut off. Now this is good to have on, just because usually when you stop using your hotspot you most likely will forget to turn it off, and it does consume more battery, so this will allow you to save your battery by the phone actually turning it off automatically. So yeah, I would recommend keeping this on. So anyway, now that we have went through the settings and customized them, all we need to do now is simply tap on the hotspot toggle to turn it on, as I just did. And that's all you need to do. Now once you're done with it, obviously you can either wait the 5 minutes for it to turn off automatically, or if you remember, you can turn it off yourself by just tapping on the toggle once again. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.